Have you ever dreamed of walking beneath the ocean's surface, surrounded by vibrant marine life, all while standing inside a fully functional building? Underwater construction has come a long way, turning some of the most futuristic designs into reality. From luxurious hotels submerged below sea level to cutting-edge research centers, these underwater structures are pushing the boundaries of innovation. Join us as we explore 5 remarkable underwater creations that are shaping the future of architecture and technology. The underwater hotel experience. Imagine waking up to a stunning view of the ocean floor with exotic marine creatures swimming past your window. That's the underwater hotel experience, a unique stay beneath the waves, blending luxury with the wonders of nature. One of the most renowned examples is the Maraca at Conrad Maldives Rangali Island. Located 16 feet below sea level, this incredible villa features an underwater suite with panoramic windows, letting guests experience the ocean like never before. Sleeping with sharks, rays, and schools of tropical fish around you is now a reality, redefining luxury travel. Building these hotels involves complex engineering challenges. They use pressure-resistant materials like acrylic glass to withstand the immense pressure of the ocean while providing clear views of the marine environment. Many are prefabricated on land, then submerged and anchored to the seabed, minimizing environmental impact during construction. Cutting-edge technology continuously monitors the structural integrity of these buildings, ensuring they can handle the ocean's dynamic conditions for years to come. Sustainability is key in many underwater hotel projects. Environmental conservation efforts are integrated into the design, with some hotels using renewable energy sources like solar power or ocean thermal energy to minimize their carbon footprint. For example, the Poseidon Undersea Resort in Fiji employs eco-friendly practices like coral regeneration and waste recycling. These hotels aren't just luxurious escapes, they serve as models for sustainable living in harmony with nature. Guests are encouraged to participate in marine conservation efforts, making their stay both unforgettable and environmentally responsible. The future of underwater hospitality is expanding, with more ambitious projects on the horizon. From Dubai's floating seahorse villas to Japan's proposed ocean spiral underwater city, architects and engineers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in submerged living spaces. These developments offer a glimpse into a future where humans and the ocean coexist innovatively, making underwater hotels symbols of architectural ingenuity and eco-conscious tourism. Underwater research stations. Underwater research stations are among the most remarkable innovations in marine science and engineering. They allow scientists to live and work below the ocean's surface for extended periods, offering unprecedented opportunities to study marine ecosystems, climate change, and underwater geology in their natural environments. One famous example is Aquarius Reef Base off the coast of Florida. Situated 60 feet underwater, Aquarius enables researchers to study coral reefs and the effects of human activities on marine life without returning to the surface daily. This close proximity allows for continuous observation, crucial for understanding environmental impacts over time. Building these stations requires overcoming immense engineering challenges. They must withstand significant water pressure using durable materials like steel-reinforced concrete and titanium to resist corrosion and stress. Life support systems inside maintain air quality, temperature, and humidity, supplying oxygen and removing carbon dioxide to create a safe environment. Stations like Aquarius also have docking systems for underwater vehicles, allowing researchers to explore deeper sites using remotely operated vehicles or manned submersibles. Environmental considerations are crucial. The placement and construction of these stations are carefully planned to avoid harming marine ecosystems. Some stations even include artificial reefs as part of their structure, serving as habitats for fish, corals, and other marine organisms. These stations not only provide scientists with critical data, but also promote the health of the ocean's ecosystems by acting as observation posts and active participants in marine preservation. As technology advances, the future of underwater research stations looks promising. More sophisticated habitats capable of diving deeper and staying submerged longer are in development. Innovations like autonomous underwater stations and mobile research labs could allow scientists to explore previously unreachable depths or track oceanographic changes over vast distances. These advancements are particularly important as we strive to understand climate change and its effects on the ocean. Submerged transport tunnels. Submerged transport tunnels are some of the most impressive engineering feats of modern times, revolutionizing transportation by allowing vehicles and trains to travel beneath bodies of water. These tunnels provide critical connections between land masses, reducing travel time and congestion, while offering an alternative to bridges or ferries. The Channel Tunnel, often called the Channel, is a famous example linking the United Kingdom and France beneath the English Channel. Stretching 31 miles, it accommodates high-speed trains that transport passengers and cargo across the seabed, significantly reducing travel time between London and Paris. Constructing these tunnels involves advanced techniques and overcomes various technical and environmental challenges. Methods like the immersed tube technique involve prefabricating tunnel sections on land, floating them to the site, then submerging and securing them on the ocean floor. Powerful pumps remove water from inside, allowing for dry construction. Tunnel boring machines are also used to excavate soil while installing tunnel linings behind them, ensuring safe and efficient construction even in difficult underwater environments. Maintaining structural integrity and safety is crucial. Waterproofing prevents leaks or flooding, and drainage systems handle any minor water seepage. Safety features like emergency exits, ventilation systems, and fire suppression mechanisms are built into the design to protect passengers. For instance, the Channel Tunnel includes 3 parallel tubes, 2 for trains, and a central service tunnel acting as an emergency escape route. As cities grow and the demand for efficient transportation rises, submerged tunnels are becoming increasingly vital. Projects like Norway's proposed Rogfast Tunnel, set to be the world's longest and deepest road tunnel, and China's planned underwater rail link between Ningbo and Zhoushan demonstrate the technology's potential. These tunnels aim to improve connectivity, reduce environmental impact, and shorten travel times by avoiding traffic congestion on land. Often more resistant to weather disruptions than bridges or ferries, submerged tunnels are shaping the future of travel. Unmanned underwater vehicles. Unmanned underwater vehicles, or UUVs, represent one of the most groundbreaking advancements in ocean exploration. These robotic vehicles can operate autonomously or under remote control, venturing into regions of the ocean that are too deep, dangerous, or inaccessible for human divers. They are revolutionizing the way we understand and interact with the underwater world. Equipped with advanced sensors, sonar, and cameras, UUVs collect valuable data from the ocean floor, map underwater terrain, and document marine life. They can reach depths of over 6,000 meters, far beyond the limits of manned submarines or divers. UUVs have discovered underwater volcanoes, hydrothermal vents, and deep-sea ecosystems teeming with life. This not only broadens our understanding of marine environments, but also helps researchers study the impacts of climate change, pollution, and other human activities on the ocean. They are essential for monitoring and protecting fragile ecosystems like coral reefs, increasingly threatened by warming oceans and pollution. In industries like oil and gas, UUVs inspect underwater pipelines, drilling rigs, and other infrastructure in deep-sea locations that would be difficult or costly to monitor otherwise. Equipped with robotic arms, they can perform maintenance, repairs, and even construction tasks with incredible precision, reducing the need for human divers in dangerous operations. UUVs also play a key role in maintaining subsea cables critical for global communications networks. As technology evolves, UUVs are becoming more advanced, with increased autonomy, speed, and durability. Swarming UUVs, where multiple vehicles work together to complete large-scale tasks, are being developed for complex operations like seabed mapping and environmental monitoring. In the defense sector, UUVs are deployed for surveillance and mine detection, enhancing naval capabilities without putting human lives at risk. Their potential to revolutionize industries, from marine science to energy and national security, is limitless. Underwater cities. The future of sustainable living. As the world faces rising sea levels, overpopulation, and shrinking land availability, the concept of underwater cities is gaining traction as a potential solution for sustainable living. These futuristic urban habitats wouldn't just provide shelter, but could also create self-sustaining ecosystems powered by renewable ocean resources. The idea may sound like science fiction, but architects and engineers are exploring bold designs that could turn this vision into reality. Projects like the Ocean Spiral, a proposed underwater city by Japan's Shimizu Corporation, offer a glimpse into how humans could one day live and thrive beneath the waves. Designing and building underwater cities presents immense engineering challenges. Structures must withstand harsh underwater environments, including immense water pressure, corrosion, and the dynamic movement of tides and currents. Advanced materials like ultra-durable concrete, reinforced steel, and special coatings to resist saltwater corrosion are crucial for long-term stability and safety. Careful planning and environmental assessments are required to mitigate the impact on marine ecosystems. Some designs involve floating segments anchored to the ocean floor, allowing cities to move with ocean currents rather than resisting them, minimizing disruption to wildlife. Sustainability is at the heart of the underwater city concept. Designs aim to harness renewable ocean resources to provide energy, food, and clean water for residents. Tidal and wave energy, combined with ocean thermal energy conversion, could power these cities. Underwater farming and aquaculture could supply food, while desalination technology would provide fresh water. Closed-loop waste management systems would ensure waste is recycled or repurposed rather than polluting surrounding waters. For example, Ocean Spiral envisions using deep-sea farming techniques to cultivate both food crops and marine life, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. While the technology to build fully operational underwater cities is still developing, the concept raises intriguing possibilities for addressing pressing environmental and societal challenges. As coastal cities face rising sea levels and populations grow, underwater cities could offer a new frontier for urban expansion. They would also create opportunities for scientific research, particularly in marine biology and oceanography. Living close to diverse marine ecosystems would allow for constant observation and study, potentially leading to breakthroughs in environmental conservation and climate science. As we dive into the depths of human ingenuity, it's clear that underwater construction is no longer just a dream, but a tangible reality shaping our future. From luxurious hotels to futuristic cities, the possibilities beneath the waves are endless. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.